morning friends. Today we are going to learn formulae of Laplace transform which are very important for preparation of Laplace transform. हे जर फॉर्म्युले आपण प्रिपेअर केले तर आपल्याला 3 चॅप्टरची तयारी होते, हे लक्षात घ्या. हा व्हिडिओ अतिशय महत्त्वाचा फाउंडेशन ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्म, म्हणजे याच्यावरती तुम्ही 3 चॅप्टरचा अभ्यास करू शकता. लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्म, इन्व्हर्स लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्म आणि ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्म. इट इज दी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट व्हिडिओ. ओके, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बेसिकली काय बघणार आहोत? डेफिनेशन, अर्धा डझन फॉर्म्युली, अर्धा डझन प्रॉपर्टीज आणि इन्व्हर्स लाप्लासच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आणि फॉर्म्युले. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Laplace transform basic. First, zero number. So definition of Laplace transform: L of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus ft into f of t dt, and condition is s is greater than 0. Okay. Number 1, Laplace transform of f of t. Notation is s. Number 2, Laplace transform of k. K is a constant that comes k by s. Number 3, Laplace of e raised to at, that means exponential function. Laplace is given by 1 upon s minus a. Number 4, Laplace of t raised to n, algebraic function that gives n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. Number 5, Laplace of a raised to t. A is a constant, t is a variable, so this is given by 1 upon s minus log a. Number 6, Laplace of sin a t is equal to a divided by a square plus a square. Number 7, Laplace of cos a t, s divided by a square plus a square. Number 8, Laplace of sine hyperbolic functions is equal to a divided by a square minus a square. Number 9, Laplace of cos a t is equal to s divided by a square minus a square. Number 10, Laplace of f of t star g of t, that is called convolution theorem, and this is equal to Laplace of f of t into Laplace of g of t. Number 11, now we are going to see properties, and these are basic formulae. Now we are going to see properties. First property is known as shifting property, that is given by n into bracket e raised to at into f of t. In short, we are writing these properties. Here assume that we have assumed that Laplace of f of t is equal to is. This is assumption, and then things happens. Number 2, it is called as change of scale property. Scale, Laplace of f of at is equal to 1 by a into phi of s upon a. Number 3, effect of multiplication by t. Effect of multiplication by t or t raised to n. L into bracket t raised to n into f of t is equal to minus 1 raised to n nth derivative of phi with respect to s. Number 4, effect of division by t. Laplace of 1 by t into f of t is equal to integration from s to infinity and here phi s ds. Phi s into ds. Okay. Number 5, derivative. L into bracket f dash means the derivative. This equals to s into phi s minus f of 0. Laplace of double derivative is equal to s square into phi s minus s f of 0 and minus f dash of 0. Then number 6, integration. Laplace of integration from 0 to t f of t dt is equal to 1 by s into phi s. Shifting property, and that shifting property is Laplace of f of t minus a times or directly we write u means unit step function or heaviside function. This equals to e to the power minus s into phi s. This is called the second shifting property. This is known as shifting property number 2. So this is what is the story. एवढं आपल्याला बेसिक लागतं लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्म मध्ये. हे प्रिपेअर केल्याशिवाय तुम्ही पुढे जाऊ नका. At once this thing is prepared, you can study further topics. Otherwise तुमचा वेळ जाईल आणि थोडं फ्रस्ट्रेशन येतं की आपल्याला असं वाटतं की हे कसं आहे, हाऊ इज इट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रिपेअर ऑल these things with the help of simple examples. So these are what are the basic things. Thank you.